Hello everyone, this is Varsha Vijay Shankar and today I want to talk about NCC, National Cadet Corps. What is NCC? NCC is the youth wing of Indian Armed Forces. Started in 1948, it trains school and college students to become disciplined citizens and future leaders. What is history beyond NCC? When was it started? NCC was established on 15th of July 1948 through National Cadet Corps Act. Before NCC, there was an organization called University Corps. It was started during British rule 1917 to train students for the military support. Later, it became University Training Corps UTC and then University Officers Training Corps UOTC. After India became independent, the government felt a need for youth organization that could help develop discipline, leadership, patriotism, character and unity among students. Therefore, NCC was officially formed under the leadership of Pandit H.N. Kunzru Committee recommendations. Later, Air Wing was added in 1950, Naval Wing was added in 1952. Girls Division was introduced in 1949 to encourage girls to participate equally. Today, NCC is the world's largest uniformed youth organization with 20 lakh cadets across school and colleges in India. NCC's motto is Unity and Discipline. NCC's flag, red stands for Army, dark blue stands for Navy and light blue stands for Air Force. And the 17 lotuses at the center of the flag will represent the 17 state directorates. What is the main aim of NCC? The main aim of NCC is to develop disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizens of India and motivate youth towards serving the nation. Let us see some of the famous personalities. Many leaders, actors, sportspersons and officers were NCC cadets. Here are some well-known personalities. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was associated with the earlier University Training Corps and considered as the forebear of NCC. General Bipin Rawat, Captain Vikram Batra, Major Sandeep, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar, they were also NCC cadets. Many cadets later became officers or soldiers in Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Let us see some other famous personalities. Narendra Modi, who is our Prime Minister of India and former NCC cadet. R. Madhavan, who was the best NCC cadet from Maharashtra, later became a famous actor. Hima Das, international athlete and NCC cadet. Jaya Bachchan, she was the best NCC cadet at RDC 1966. Arvind Rathuri, NCC cadet who scaled Mount Everest with NCC Everest Expedition Team. Rajnath Singh, India's Defence Minister and associated with NCC alumni. Lajja Goswami, she was the international shooter and started her shooting skills in the NCC training. And Sushma Swaraj, she was the External Affairs Minister of India and associated with the NCC alumni. Why NCC alumni become successful? Because NCC develops leadership, patriotism, discipline and teamwork. In the next video, we will see the benefits of NCC. Jai Hind!